everyone, this is Rashmi Billas from Department of Commerce of SD College Ambala Kent, and today we will be discussing about the role of SEBI in stock exchange, like what kind of functions are performed by Stock Exchange Board of India. But before I start discussing about the role of Stock Exchange Board of India, let's have a brief history about it. SEBI was set up in around 1988 and it regulates all the functions of the securities market, that is the market in which the shares and the securities are purchased and sold. And ultimately the Stock Exchange Board of India Act was enacted in 1992 and it extends to whole of the country, and it came into existence on the 30th of January. What was the need of establishing a special board or act for the maintenance or regulating stock exchange securities? It is that many fraud was there in the market, that is the stock market, because of which the investors were losing their trust and confidence. Even till now, many of the investors do not want to invest their money in the shares. Why? Because they lack trust. So that is why, to gain the trust of the investors of the market, the special board was established by the Government of India, and which was known as Securities Exchange Board of India. Now let's discuss the role of SEBI. The first and the most important role of Stock Exchange Board of India is they have the power to make rules for controlling the stock exchange. SEBI has the power to formulate new rules, regulations for the working of all the stock exchanges in India. For example, it is the SEBI which has decided that the trading time will be from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. in the stock market. So yes, they have the power to change, to make, to amend, or to formulate new rules. Then come to provide license to the dealers and brokers. SEBI has the power to provide the license to all the brokers and the dealers in the capital market. If SEBI sees that any financial product of the capital nature is there, so they need new dealers, it is only the SEBI which can provide the license. One of the main example is ULIPs. It is just mutual funds, and all the banks and financial insurance companies who wants to issue it have to take permission from SEBI. No other person can issue ULIPs if it has not taken the permission or license to issue the same from the Stock Exchange of India. Next comes to stop fraud. SEBI has many powers to stop the fraudulent practices in the stock market. It can stop or ban the functioning of any broker who has done any fraud or is following any unfair trade practices, and it can also impose practices, even some punishments which is related to jail or imprisonment on the person who is involved in any kind of fraudulent activities or insider trading. Then comes the control of the merger, acquisition and takeover of the company. Many big companies in India want to create monopoly in the capital market. So these companies try to acquire the share of smaller companies which are there in the stock market. So SEBI sees that the merger or acquisition is only for the development of economy and not to harm the interest of investors or not to create the monopoly in the market. And last function of SEBI is to audit the performance of stock markets. SEBI has the power to audit, that is to check the performance of different stock exchanges working in the country. Why? Just to bring transparency in the working of stock exchange, just to build the trust of investors in the stock exchange, and to create a fear that if you create any unfair trade practices or any window dressing in the accounts, then you will be highly punished. So students, that was all about the role of Stock Exchange Board of India. It was not a very elaborated topic because we just had to discuss one single thing about it. It's a very vast topic which we can discuss in later chapters. But if you have any doubt regarding the role of Stock Exchange Board of India, even if I have not included anything in the presentation, feel free to ask. I hope I made it very clear to you all that what is the role of Stock Exchange Board of India. So all the best, stay in touch.